Tango's out to join us for our morning coffee today. That looks cute. He's giving you a look like, why am I sitting out here?
What's this all about?
Oh, imagine if my mother sees this scope. She'll say, what the heck? Your bird's gonna fly away. Your bird's gonna fly away. Oh my God.
Tango's not flying yet so much.
No. But he looks very, he's gonna join us for coffee. He'll have his little birdie food and water, and we'll have our coffee. Get a little bit of sun while we listen to the birds this morning.
Sit down, dear. Enjoy your coffee.
Yeah, coffee time.